Hello and welcome back to Cooking with Lauralee. I am Lauralee. Thank you for joining me today as I share one of my lentil beef stews recipe. It's a hearty and tummy-warming stew that is packed with nutritional health benefits, proteins, and flavors. My lentil beef stew also freezes well and tastes even better the next day. Be sure to share my video to help me continue to grow my channel and subscribe if you haven't already. We are closer to the 300 mark for my subscribers and this is exciting to me. Thank you for all your support and thank you for watching. So what we have here is 2 carrots, 3 potatoes, and 1 actual fresh turmeric, 3 garlic cloves, and that's pretty much the basis of your vegetables. What you're going to want to do is go ahead and get your onions out and saute that a little bit with the turmeric, the fresh turmeric. Let it just sweat out for about 5 to 10 minutes and then add your beef. Let those just simmer, those 3 ingredients, the turmeric, the onion, and beef. Let that simmer for about a good 20 minutes and then add the rest of your ingredients and let that baby sit there and marinate for the next 40 minutes on medium high. Stir occasionally just to make sure that nothing is sticking to the bottom, and then you will have a tremendous lentil beef stew. The recipe will be in the description below. So I usually use these canned lentil beans and they're usually full, but on this occasion both of my cans were fairly empty, so I did 2, but during the video I went back and got a 3rd one just because I wanted a little bit more of the lentils. So know that depending on the brand that you use, you may get more or less. And if you have dried lentils, know that you are going to need more liquids because the lentils will soak them right up. So know that it will take you longer to cook. And if you're unsure whether the lentils are done or not, all you have to do is just make sure that they are soft to the touch. If ever in doubt, just read the package that you're using and it will tell you how long the lentils will take. Some lentils take anything from 15 to 20 minutes, while other may take 20 to 30 minutes. And there's all kinds of colors. There's red, black, yellow, brown, green. So just make sure you do a little research before you start with your lentils. As always, make this your own, and if you learned anything new today, please share and consider subscribing if you haven't already. Thank you all for all of your support. Have a wonderful day.